In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Kohls discount promo codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser, and right here you have to search for Kohls discount promo code. Right here, go to this website which is called Simply Code, and as you can see, we have here a list with some promo codes that you can use in order to get some discounts. So if you want to get this 15% discount right here, simply select the button where it says View Code, and this is the promo code right here. You can tap on this button to copy the promo code, and you can use this one so that you can get a 15% discount of your next order. Also, going back to the main search, we have another website which is called Coupon Follow, and here we have a list with other promo codes that we can use to get some discounts and some benefits. So if you want to get this 15% discount of your order, you can simply tap right here where it says show coupon code, and this is the promo code right here. You can simply select the button right here to copy the promo code, and you can apply this one on your next order so that you can get a 15% discount. So this is pretty much all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.